Welcome. I have been out at sea for a week and will be 1 week more, so I haven't had so much time to make videos. But in 1.5 weeks time it will be more. Do we live in the Matrix? Do they control everything? Who is they? Is they a fantasy or is they a reality? What does Flat Earth, ongoing pandemic, vaccines, 5G have in common? Is it that they are in control, or is it the conspiracy nuts who is the in common factor? Who are they? NASA? US government? Illuminati? The Vatican? Who is it? Who have control over all governments in this world? Is it the UN, perhaps? Is it aliens? For this conspiracy to work, many people must be involved. Doctors, scientists, pilots, people who navigate big ships over the seas, meteorologists, physicists, a lot of people, or a big portion of all people with education in this world. Can that be true? Or is the problem that flat earthers lack education, lack knowledge, and think everything that they don't understand being scary? We who knows that the earth is not flat, we who takes vaccines, we who knows that 5G is only a way of communication, we have the burden of proof, according to these conspiracy idiots. And why is that? They lack the knowledge to make a proper experiment. They have no common theories about how things works. They can't describe this pizza world, and they can't explain why they would make up all these lies about vaccines, pandemics, the shape of the earth, the space, ESS, and so on. Why do I care about these nutheads? Why do I make these videos? Flat Earth is not dangerous. They can believe that if they want to. But when they come to pandemics, vaccines, 5G, and so on, they start to be dangerous. To burn down 5G towers, to fool people to not take a vaccine, then they become dangerous. So I will continue fight this stupidity, if it's flat earth or if it's some other crazy theory. This was not a debunk video. Some thoughts I had out here at sea. I'm sorry for this bad sound quality. I'm aboard a military vessel and it's a lot of noise around me. Perhaps I have time to make a new video upcoming week. Otherwise, I'll be back with the normal pace with videos in 1.5 week times. Have a nice day. Thanks.